Wir machen hier ein Interview.
Ich bin zu dick für diese Bank.
In Fredsky kann man wissen.
What?
Fuck it. Everything's alright.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm here with Forever in Combat. Where are you coming from? What are you doing?
We're coming from all over the world.
Not really.
This guy's coming from
Not really.
from Dubai.
Korea.
Yeah, Korea, South Korea. Yeah. Fredsky is coming from Sweden.
Not really.
Yeah, and the rest is from Germany.
I got a few questions that I'm going to ask you. The first one is the thoughts about the set tonight. You played the last show tonight after 3 bands.
Was good.
Was good.
Energetic.
Yeah.
Feels good after getting off the stage.
Definitely.
Favorite one?
And
My second one.
I saw you already at the Meet the Beast Festival.
Yes, was my first one.
You played shit at the Meet the Beast.
Just less shit, but just very little, just very marginal amount of less shit.
He's a girl also.
Yeah. I mean, men are very.
Every band needs a girl, so
yeah, exactly.
it's okay that that they got.
Yeah, sometimes we get horny, you know. Bang, bang, bang.
Gangbang.
But I am very attractive to lesbians.
Yeah. You got 2 new members.
Yes.
That 2 ugly guys at the outside.
Yes. This
Lotze,
Fotze.
and Justin.
and Justin. Yeah.
And what are you playing in the band? What are you doing here? Why are you even here? Go outside.
I'm here because I have no soul and I'm playing drums.
And Justin?
Soulless drummer. What are you doing in the band? Why are you here? Why not just fuck off and go home?
Yeah, I'm Justin. I play bass and do backing vocals in the band.
I heard that you are still recording or finished a new album.
No, finish.
And
We just finished some songs.
what's the album about? What's the whole record about?
We don't know yet.
About everything.
About
About problems in life and
the
solving
problems
these
of
problems.
an Asian guy.
Problem having small dick, you know.
Yeah, it's hard to have a small dick.
And being addicted to rice.
To Rice Records.
Yeah.
Rice records.
I can't stop eating rice. I snort it. I put it up my ass, you know.
Yeah.
It's too addictive.
You're a gay. Oh yeah.
Where's the difference to the EP?
Much better.
He needs shit.
He is shit, but the next one is heavier.
The new music.
Yeah, the music is
heavy.
definitely heavier. More catchy, heavy breakdowns, heavy fucking good riffs.
And at the same time, more melodic.
Yeah, and we're very melodic in the new song.
More mature.
Having very good clean vocal melodies and yeah, the lyrics.
So it took you gave yourself more time to write the whole record, and you
Yeah, and we were
just
together.
not-
We were together, and we recorded the whole EP. Like I recorded the whole EP. They both wrote the guitars, and I recorded it at my place because they don't have the
Okay.
equipment at home. So yeah, I recorded it alone, but they wrote everything. And
What's the favorite song of the new album?
The new
Lights.
song.
Yeah.
At this time.
Yeah.
Lights. Like you said, they said at the it was the last song they played.
Yeah, it's new.
As the anchor, and
It's also the newest.
also the newest.
yeah, also the newest song.
So the last one you wrote it. And
Yeah, and maybe we will shoot a music video for that song.
Oh, sounds good.
In the end of this month. So end of
Be
January.
excited for that.
Right before.
Yeah. Be ready for a fucking good music video.
So
I go home. Nobody cares about me.
make sure to follow them. The links are down in the description to Facebook and to
Twitter, Instagram.
Twitter, Instagram, and
Tumblr.
just because
No, we
I
don't have
love
Tumblr.
Just joking.
And YouTube.
and
Shitty
yes,
Cover 69.
Shitty Cover 69 just because I love this channel, and
Yeah.
why not?
We also do covers.
Some girls love Tumblr.
Yes. No. Justine.
Some girls.
Do you have Tumblr?
Justine has
Do you have Tumblr?
No. Justine has it.
Do you have Tumblr?
I don't have Tumblr. I don't have it.
Because it's
That's
auch
a
Zeit.
new Tumblr.
Manu has Tumblr. This is
That's
the guy
the old bass player.
This is the guy nobody cares about anymore.
And I think nobody here knows why he's still here.
Get out!
Yeah.
Nobody. What? Go home.
Young Jade.
It's almost crying.
Go home. At the beginning, we talked about your band, the members in the band, and that not everybody's here from Germany. So, but for sometimes they stay here in Germany.
Yeah.
Like,
for like 3 months.
in the moment they are here
Yeah.
in Germany.
Yeah, we've been here
And
Since the 5th of December.
so maybe that's a question just for these two guys. What's your favorite German word?
Ich fick dich wie deine Schere.
That's the whole sentence is stupid.
Do you know?
The other one.
Deiner Hund soll dich ficken in dein Arschloch.
Do you know what any of these sentences means?
Yes. I'm
Tell us.
aware.
You approve.
Tell us the first
I
one.
fuck you with the scissor, or your dog will fuck you in your asshole.
I think just fick dich. Yeah.
The whistle at the end is important.
Fick dich. That's very important.
Yeah, that's it.
Otherwise, it's just
Fick dich.
okay.
Since today, like I heard from other members, the band is complete.
Yes,
Yes,
Because-
officially today, yeah.
complete.
You're not here?
We have a fucking drum.
And we have a new dad in the band.
That's
Doesn't act like one.
We just have a badass.
The Red Dad.
This is
they got a crowd beard, they got a crowd Asian.
We have a quote ginger, quote Asian.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, we're just
Asian, please.
Asian
And the Viking.
and a Viking.
Fake
Who's the Viking?
Gretzky, he's from Sweden.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry.
So I take the part of the.
See the fucking beards, you see the fucking horns?
your passport and I'll give it.
Okay. So then you.
Gretzky, you don't want to become a ginger. I think you want to keep your soul.
That's like selling your soul to Satan. But maybe that's not that bad. When you think about it, maybe it's not that bad. You get bitches for free, you get beer for free. Everything even is for free. Beer, bitches,
Here, bitches.
Bungee's ass.
5 Guys, 4 Souls. Perfect album.
The feeling of the show was fucking amazing.
Yes.
And the feeling to be like a real band right now with real members.
Can't complain.
Just
Can't complain.
even better.
What are your plans for the future as a complete band now?
Break up.
Okay, yeah. We have planned like everything good for the band. We want to finish our album recordings and publish our new music video. Want to release it and like reach more people than we ever did. And
I want to tour the world.
Just
yeah, and
what
we
you
want
want
to tour. We want to get a record deal.
I would kill to tour in Somalia. Pirates and stuff.
Get a record deal and have a nice time with these guys.
So what's your
Touring
favorite
in
record
America.
label? Rice
I don't
Records?
really know.
Rice Records.
Rice records.
One last thing, ask me a question.
Do you like penis?
Just the ones over 5 centimeters, so you I'm sorry, just the ones over 5 centimeters.
I'm just 4.9.
Do you like Forever in Combat?
You mean inches?
No, I hate. I just freaking hate them. I don't know why.
Why are you here?
Don't
Go home.
That was our interview with Forever in Combat. So check out the links in the description. Check out the band. Check out the music. Don't. Eiche Käse. You like Eiche Käse?